Hello, Libra. So this is your 4 months forecast. So this is gonna be September till the end of the year, no, of 2025. And cross watchers also welcome. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell. So the remaining 4 months for Libra. We're gonna see what is your a little bit of brief of your finances and career, and you're gonna be focusing on your love life, Libra, no? So to those who haven't watched the video on Libra's August, no, and still on our channel, so you might want to go back on that, so at least you could know your journey. So we have the King of Cups. This could pertains might be your energy or your person's energy, no? For Libra, 4 month forecast for you guys. You have the Queen of Swords. Oops. And we have the Strength, Leo's energy. And you got the Star. And we're gonna be also getting Love Oracle reading. This is very cute and fun Love Oracle deck, no? This is really get to your heart. So we have here the girl with a snake. I like you, I like you. That's the message. Very cute an oracle. Okay, let's have a little bit brief on your ano no, on your forecast. Libra, we should apply moderations and balance, no? So it might be gonna come on September is predicted to be a month of moderate outcomes for you. So it's time to focus on finding balance in your life, particularly between your personal and professional spheres. So when it comes to your finances, the beginning of the month looks favorable to your finances with good income. However, be mindful of expenses as they are expected to continue. When it comes to your career, there may be some obstacle in your professional life, but you'll have the inner strength to handle them. This is also a good time to reconnect with friends and relatives, no? So we just give you some brief because we're gonna be focusing on your love life, no? I've seen also when it on October, um, that is expected to be a positive period for professional growth to you and some recognitions. Parang there's a new opportunities. And we will continue now. We're gonna go now to your love life, no? So it'll be. We also still have the Seven of Swords and Four of Pentacles in reverse. We'll clarify, no? For Libra, love life, keeping spirit, and Ace of Wands, another new beginning, and the Three of Pentacles in reverse. So here you might face some challenges, no, and emotional distance at the beginning of the month, especially when but you got a very beautiful energy, which is the King of Cups. That might be your partner, and parang someone is likely to be your partner or love interest, and associated with the Seven of Swords, no? Parang I think that you're gonna have some situations where someone, likely partner or your love interest, is presenting themselves as emotional, mature, compassionate, and stable. But we have the Seven of Swords here, but their actions might not align with their words. No, so the Seven of Swords clarifies that there is an element of deceptions, secrecy, or hidden agenda. So the persons might be avoiding confrontations or taking the easy way out of a difficult situations, or not being entirely honest about their feelings, or let's say intentions. So it's a warning to look beyond the surface of what's being said, no, and pay attention to what is actually being done. And I could also see here, parang it's time to be realistic about your interactions and about your connections, because strong ones will grow and weak ones may fade, no. And as you could see, we also have here the Queen of Swords, which clarified by the Four of Cups. So this is need to clear communications and intellect honesty. So this card actually urges you to be direct, no, to speak your truth and to cut through any emotional fog. Parang you may came across maybe to an air sign, and we even have the strength here, you know, with Leo also. A new beginning, but I've been saying you're very strong energy also here, which you could do balance. Parang you might gonna be experiencing, or maybe on your recent past you've already seen maybe your partner or maybe you, that or maybe this Queen of Swords here, maybe I think your partner might be seeing you, maybe you're being too much in actions, no. The Four of Cups in reverse, even though na ano, but he's still open for communications. And the Seven of Swords actually showing na even na he's being very very sweet to you, very romantic to you, very caring to you, very too much, too much extreme is a little bit dangerous. And I think you've been observing that on your recent past. And we have also here the girl with the snake, or maybe a friend, maybe flirting with your persons. I don't, but someone is flirting here and who have a secret. But showing here, you might be seeing these persons, or these persons might be looking up to you, to your too much actions or too much words of you, that he might be actually doubting now your love, no. And I think this person's is on your journey within 4 months, he might's gonna be actually making some actions and talk to you, or maybe he will cut ties with you, no. Or maybe it's energy can shift, no. So but this is a general reading, it might not happen to you, just get what's resonate, no. And you also have here the strength. I've been seeing here na you're gonna came down that you feels that you don't like anymore to deal with that kind of energy, no. Parang you want to move on that. And and try to be open. I think the doubting has been starting, and maybe I think September is gonna be the start maybe of confrontation, and October might be you are letting it go, or maybe no, and but then parang it's just okay with you because you've been observing that, or you've seen find some evidence, no. But I've been saying here you're gonna find some healing also within the next 4 months, and you're gonna be not lonely on December actually, because I've been seeing here that someone is coming towards you after you are moving, after you're letting go of this, and that will gonna take place still on your 4 months forecast, on your 4 months journey, no. Parang you don't wanna deal anymore with that kind of crap, with that kind of bullshit BS, no. And you are opening your heart again on that 4 months, no. The seven of swords actually is really scary energy, because of his, it's very different on what he is showing you, no. But you've got some evidence, so you're very intelligent, you want just the truth, and you don't want to deal with that crap anymore. So you could also see here that you are no longer sitting around waiting for something to happen again. You're actively seeking clarity here, and are prepared to make some decisions, no, based on logic rather than just emotions. So this could mean you are ready to accept a new offer or a new persons into your life, no? Because the Queen of Swords, this is a clear communications and intellectual and honesty. So in love, so this is actually you might gonna be confronting, or there's a heart-to-heart conversations for good. Parang you going to speak the truth, and you're going to cut through any emotional fog here, and clarified by the Four of Cups, no? Parang you are opening and ready to move past on that period of apathy, or you are feeling uninspired in love actually, no, that time that you've known that already, no, but now you are no longer sitting on that, no. And you got the strength, which is very powerful combinations for your love life, no. And the Ace of Wands, parang it's about your inner power and courage and compassions, no. It's about taming your wilder impulses and approaching challenge with patience and grace, no. So it's clarified by the Ace of Wands, which is very powerful symbol of a new beginning. This is inspirations and passions towards your future, or towards, or maybe you are actually really letting go of clinging energy here, and you are finding your inner selves and courage to embrace a new passionate, no, chapter of your love life here. So it could be a new relationship is coming. It might be Leo, and I could feel that it might be air signs also, and Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And we have here the healing, and that person's will gonna give you some healing, no? But there's still a cautious energy here, so make sure na actually the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Even this is a very strong card for you that you are moving, and you gonna make sure you need to be cautious still, no? So that new relationship, that's gonna give you some healing, no? So parang you're gonna feel that your passions is renewed, and the girl with the snake here, we could see that this is a associated with charm or a folk art image here. No, this is a bold, maybe even slightly mischievous. This is a declarations of your affections, or it can imply as an attractions that is intense, maybe even little dangerous or unconventional. This could symbolize also as transformations or temptations or a primal connection. So in overall here, it could be a new beginning from the Ace of Wands, or let's say a direct and honest declarations for the Queen of Swords also. So someone might be expressing their feelings for you, no, with I like you, I like you. This is unexpected and compelling way, or maybe this is the way also of this Seven of Swords, no, that very keep telling you I like you, I like you, I love you, I love you, ne? But but there's a secret on that, no? Or it might be involved third party. It might be actually that party is also maybe a friend, or you know this person's maybe if there's a third party, which I'm getting because we have there this girl with a snake, no? Parang untrusted friends also. So let's get clarify the Three of Pentacles in reverse and the Star here, no? This is the card of hope, and as I said, you're gonna find some healing also on that 4 months journey, spiritual renewal. It's let's say a beacon of light after a period of darkness, and you're gonna have some promising future also. However, this is clarified by the Three of Pentacles in reverse. So while there is a hope on the star, there might be a lack of teamwork, collaborations, or let's say a shared goal is particularly in situations here. So it could be that you and partner are not on the same page, or that you are not getting support you need from others. Maybe they don't like that person, maybe they still like the other one, no? So so that might be the ano, they think na they don't like that persons. Now they might more like the one, the romantic one, no? So but the hope here is the star. There might be a little bit need to focus and address issue of lack of commitment or failure to work together, no, to build a very solid foundations. So this I like you, I like you. So this might be coming from a new persons also, no, that is really into you, no. But make sure you need to be cautious and vigilant also, and because we don't want anymore some mistake, no. Parang now you're at least you didn't close your heart, no, and you're still be open, and you're still open to that love life, no. So a little bit advice here. So just be strong on these situations. Do not be scared. uh, get some clarity, no, and always be direct on what your feelings, no, and do not be hooked on the sweetest word, no, on the sweet word. Okay, I hope Libra you like a reading. So please do like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Thank you and God bless you. See you again next time.